Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my lock review, or you can call it lock number one review. We're going to be taking a close look at lock, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with lock. This goes live on the 7th of February by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a training. This gives you access to resources, not just a training. This gives you access to premium resources that you actually need to make money online. So normally when you talk about making money online, you are going to need some tools that are usually difficult for newbies or beginners, to get access to. These things only come with time and experience. But even if right now you have zero experience with making money online or affiliate marketing, these tools are just exactly what you need to copy and paste in order to start getting some meaningful results online. So this is put together by Lee Murray, and you're going to be getting access to done for you emails. You're going to be getting access to campaigns, and all these things are what you need exactly to make some money for yourself online. Now, I've actually put together software bonuses that deals with two major important aspects, especially with affiliate marketing or making money online. One of them is traffic. If you don't have traffic, you don't have visitors clicking on your links, definitely you are not going to make any money online. The second one is a funnel. Now, if you do not have something that can actually convert your clicks into leads, that's your list basically. So if you are going to be doing affiliate marketing, you would probably have heard that the money is in the list, and the secret of super affiliates is actually in their list. They have a list of buyers, and every time there's a new offer to promote, they just send out a mail to a massive list of buyers, and that is how they get sales. So even if you are starting out today, what you want to do, is to start building your list. So you're going to be getting a software from me that allows you to convert traffic into sales, and your list that's into sales and leads, which they're actually recommending that you buy inside the members area of Lock. You are going to be getting that for free, so you would not need to buy that when you get to the training inside Lock. So you get access to emails, done for you emails. You get access to articles, which you can just activate like that. Now I've actually put together some bonuses here, which I'm going to go through right now, and then we'll talk a little more about Lock. Bonus number one is a video traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic with other people's viral videos, but without you having to create content yourself, which is cool. You are not going to be creating videos. Rather, you can search for videos in the cloud-based software in any niche: dog training, affiliate marketing, making money online, crypto. This is basically endless. You can search for videos, viral videos, and then place your own affiliate links on top of these videos, which is actually cool. Now you can upload images, and these images are going to show up in the playback of these videos. When people play these videos, they see your images, and when they click on these images, it takes them to your link, that's to your affiliate link. You can also create clickable call to actions. You can add opt-in forms on top of videos, which also allows you to build your list into the cloud-based software, which is cool. So you're going to be getting access to that. That's my bonus number one. Bonus number two, now Lock is giving you access to this done for you high converting emails, that you can actually send and convert any list into buyers. If you are starting out, my guess is you don't have a list yet, and normally it takes time, and most of the time it even takes money if you want to build it faster, to build your own list. That's why I'm actually getting you started a lot faster, and this would actually put you in profit a lot easier. I'm giving you access to my own 1,000 plus active buyer subscribers. Now, this is a list of buyers which you can actually mail. If you combine this with the done for you emails you are getting access to in Log, I believe this is the fastest way, and this is going to put you at advantage over any other person that gets access to Log. So you're going to be getting access to 1,000 plus active buyer subscribers, plus autoresponder software to get you started instantly. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to my lead generation software. This gives you access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze pay templates. You can actually pick whichever template you want, slap in your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. So the reason why you need to use squeeze pages most of the time is when you're actually sending people to a sales page. Some of these people don't buy instantly, but once they go away, they are kind of interested, but for some reason they are not buying instantly. Now, these people have high tendencies of buying later on, either the same product or even similar product. Now, but the issue is, normally if you are just sending them to this sales page, you are not going to get their contact, which is quite unfortunate. But this software allows you to get this contact. So you are going to be sending them to your squeeze page. They will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your affiliate link, which is cool. Not only that, you can actually give away the done for you lead magnets in the software to just build your list. Just put a title there, get this free software, and then people will need to give you their email addresses. Now you are going to be building your list while making a ton of money with affiliate marketing. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based traffic software. Now, this gives you access to done for you product reviews from ClickBank and from Warrior Plus. Now, some of these products, you are going to be getting access to done for you emails for them inside of Log. So here you're going to be getting access to done for you reviews that have been created already about this ClickBank product. Now, all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, add it to your profile. Once you do that, all the done for you high quality product reviews become active with your own links. All the buy buttons there become your affiliate links essentially. This comes with free traffic. This also comes with Warrior Plus product reviews. This allows you to create unlimited content if you want, and this also comes with free traffic training. Also, bonus number 5, you get access to a Facebook traffic software. This allows you to drive unlimited traffic from Facebook in any niche. The cool thing is, allows you to post multimedia, post images, videos, text, links to Facebook, and you can actually schedule this, even manage Facebook accounts for other people. If you are going to offer this as a service on Fiverr, you're going to be getting paid upwards of $50 just for a one-time service, which is pretty cool. You can put the whole process on automation such that it keeps driving you traffic even while you are sleeping or busy doing other things. You get access to Page Builder that makes the whole process easy for you, so you don't have to buy the Page Builder. Now you have 2 funnels. Now you are getting access to a Page Builder here, and then also in this bonus number 3, you are getting access to another Page Builder. This gives you access to done for you squeeze pay templates, so you don't even have to buy what they are actually referring to you to go and buy inside of Log, because you're getting the software for me for free. So bonus number 6, also you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now all my bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your members area of Warrior Plus. To claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of Log, and this is where you're going to be able to pick it up. So here it says, pay your bills, have fun, and live stress-free. It's easy. Hell, I've done 90% of the work for you. So you'll be able to create unlimited articles with one click, load countless follow-up emails, drive insane amounts of traffic, build trust and authority, monetize your content intelligently, boost conversions to the moon, earn multiple income streams, which is actually pretty cool. So come check this out in your own time to get more information about this. There's a ton of information right here on the sales page of Log. Also come check out this video presentation here that actually shows you how to generate some unique content that drives you traffic. So once again, this is pretty simple. This is what the members area actually looks like. That's it. Your bonus are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. Simply go to your purchases, you find lock, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. Now let's talk about the price. And the front end goes for a one-time fee of $12.95, which I think it makes a lot of sense considering the value you are going to be getting inside lock. And then there are some optional upgrades like the email club liquidation that goes for 47. You have the kit 4plex that goes for 47 also. You have the mega pack duo that goes for 67. You have the reseller that goes for 97, and then you have the 7 funnel bomb that goes for 197. So that's going to be my review of lock. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.